I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Monkey Shine.
Monkey Shine.
Monkey Shine was invented at the Bellagio Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada.
There you go. What do you got in it?
We're going to do rum, Malibu rum, and then pineapple juice. So we're going to do 4. Okay, you can pour 2 of that. You got that?
So you do 4 of the white rum.
Okay, a little more.
A little more than that. And then I'm going to do 2 ounces of Malibu.
Okay. How much pineapple?
Another 2 ounces of that. So it's a very rummy drink.
Lots of rum in there. Okay, 1,
Keep it going.
2.
There you go.
That's good?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to shake that on ice.
Okay. And then, what do you,
What kind of glass is that?
what do you call these again? Fancy glasses.
So we're going to strain our drink into our fancy glasses.
Fancy glasses. I think they're called coupe.
Coupe glasses?
Coupe glasses.
Okay.
Okay. Viva Las Vegas, everyone. Okay, thanks. Like you think, like Monkey Shine is kind of more like a
It's tropical.
tropical drink, but the Bellagio is. That's a lot of coconut.
It's a lot of coconut.
Pretty sweet.
It's like a pina colada.
That's exactly what it is, except in a fancier
Just
coupe
non-slushy pina colada.
Yeah, if you want a cavity,
With a lot of rum.
enjoy the Monkey Shine.
Somebody will like it.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.